Hello guys, and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, I'll show you how to sign up for an Azure account. And the best way I found to sign up for an Azure account is to first sign up for a Microsoft account. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, first go to Microsoft.com and sign up for a Microsoft account. Once you have signed up for your Microsoft account, the next thing we are going to do is sign into that Microsoft account. On this page, enter your email or your phone number, then click Next when you are done. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, check your Authenticator app to authenticate. Then on this page, I'm going to click Yes to stay signed in. And I have successfully signed in my Microsoft account, and you can see my name here. Once you have signed in, the next thing we are going to do is open a new Google tab, then search for Azure and press Enter. On this page, select the Microsoft Azure official site. Once you are on the Azure site, click Sign In. Then select the Microsoft account you previously signed in. And there you go. We have successfully signed into Azure with our Microsoft account. In the next lecture, I'll show you how to create a subscription so that you can start creating your cloud projects. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.